Hello friends, here we are going to work on activities in our application. Select empty activity. You can rename it or just finish. So the project is starting. So now we are going to add a button to our layout page. Go to activity main.xml. We are removing this text view and adding a button here. You can work with image button also. Right. Add the connections here since it's a constant layout. Since we are working with a button, we need to click Alt Enter, or we can write the import statement here. Let's check the name of the button on our layout page. It's button 1. Write the same here. After on click, it will use intent method. We are using intent to go to another page, another activity. We need to import intent using Alt plus Enter, or else you can write the import statement here like this. Yeah, I also need another activity where we are going to move. So let's create that activity. To create, go to package name, new activity, select empty activity. You can rename it, click on finish, and that's done. You can run and check if it's working, or else we can add one more pages here. So let's go to another layout page, that is second activity. Here also I'm going to add a button here. Follow the same procedure. You have to import it using Alt Enter, and you can just write the import statement here. And please check the ID of your button. And write it here. again we are importing intent. Using intent, we are going to another activity. So we are going to create one more activity here with the name third activity. For simplicity, I'm just adding a button in third layout page also. Now we can run this app. So after clicking on button, we'll direct to another page, another activity. Here it's done. We can make it more user friendly by adding background image or the text view and other widgets. So I have few images here. Let's copy and paste these images. Into drawable folder. Okay. We are adding the background image to your screen. Here are the recommendations. I'm removing this text because I'm going to add the image for this button. Here, customize the width and height of the button. So first layout is done. I am going to do the same steps in second and third layout. Here's the last one. I'm changing the width and height and adding the background image here. Run your app. Go to next activity. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.